A bridge in popular music could be a transition in a song, like it is in electronic music, as I've shown you. But more often, a bridge is something that quite differs, from the verse. So it melodically and musically differs from the verse, and that helps the song break out from that pattern that's always repeating. So the verse repeating and then going into the chorus. So it's usually something that helps the song, break out from that standard repeating pattern where we have the verse into a chorus and then the verse again into a chorus and so forth. So we have that bridge that is going to maybe, let's say, refresh the whole song, break out of that whole song where it always has that same feeling, and usually it ends up with a strong re-transition to the chorus again. Now that bridge could be looked at, like in electronic music, could be looked as this actual breakdown. That would be the bridge, because it has all the characteristics of a bridge. It's actually a breakout from the verse, which would be the entirety of the song, and it gives us some differentiation from the entirety of the song. Now, these breakdowns in electronic music, they end up with that strong retransition to the actual drops, as we call them, to the actual main point of the song, to that, let's say, what would be an equivalent to a chorus in pop music. So they have all the characteristics of an actual bridge. Bridges in pop music and rock music have quite different, harmonies, quite different chord progressions, compared to everything else in the song. So that kind of difference introduces a different feeling, which helps the song, as I told you, helps the song be fresh, break out from that and then go back into the chorus, which you actually like. That's why you're listening to the song. So it's quite an important part, although you do have a lot of pop and rock music without a bridge. So you can just as easily get away without it. It's not something that's, as important as, let's say, the verse chorus part. And as I've said, you can also make a song without the verse chorus kind of pattern where you actually repeat those two. But a bridge can be a strong tool in a song to actually do what I just told you it actually does. But a bridge can be a really powerful, tool in a song to do actually the things that I just explained and refresh your song and lead into the chorus once again, so that you can reintroduce the main, part of the song that has the biggest potential to grab the listener.